My name is Harmanjeet Singh. My location is in Wildwood, Florida. Dickey's, I read about Dickey's. It's a great business model. It's a great industry to get in. And there's a great team that always support. That's what I noticed here. They're always here to help. So I need something that I can go with and it's easy for me. And I have people, those who can support me. That's why I decided to go with Dickey's. I was in telecommunication industry. Pretty much my whole career in Canada was telecommunication. So I was working for Shaw and Thales. Those are the main big companies in Canada. So this is what I did most of the time. Cooking is one of my hobby. So I always wanted to get into the cooking industry. So this is a easy and a great way to get in. And also we get training, which is great to start with. And we are always here, people to help us. So that's why I choose this industry. Uh, I'm gonna just go with there are a lot of clubs there, and I'm gonna just go there, talk to them, and I hope I can find more catering through them, which is I think a great way to start with. So that's gonna be my first target to get more caterings. The training was great. Todd is a great teacher. Uh, he know what he's doing, and he made us to do one thing like 10 times, which is really good for us. And now we remember exactly what to do. And uh, the training was great. Todd was great. Everyone was great here.
He's a Canadian, so he's a little bit of a troublemaker. He doesn't have a lot of restaurant experience either, but he did very nice job. He was very intent on during presentations. He picked up a lot of things. He asked a lot of questions. Very involved in that online. He was first one to jump on block the first day we were in the store and did a very nice job. His cuts are good. He uses a scale. He's getting the handle of the portioning. Walk assist. He is very efficient. Needs to talk a little bit more comfortable with it, talking to the guests as they're moving down the line. He's very good with the cashier. Pick that up, the nuances of that, and running reports and running the register. And he still needs to work on that big yellow cup versus drinks because we have big yellow cups, not drinks. And then very solid when it came to the caterings, being organized. He did a lot of the meats the last couple days.
My favorite location is Central, this location. Reason being, they are doing pretty much everything. They are doing third-party order, they are doing catering order, they are doing dining order. So we can learn here everything. We also did one full catering, full service catering, which was a great experience. So this is the best location to learn. My pit name is Harmony Pit. So it sounds a little bit closer to my name, that's why I decided to go with it. And my friend also told me this is a good name.